Ito na mga idol ang pangalawang laban natin ngayong araw. August 16, 2025. Ito ay ang laban ni Aston Palicti versus Abel Mejia. Ito ay bakbakan ng Pilipinas versus Amerika mga idol. Pasensya na kayo, hindi masyadong malinaw ang ating kuha ngayon ng idol, pero panigurado bago itong laban na ito mga idol. Ito pa lang si Abel Mejia mga idol, isang undefeated na boksingero na may kartadang 8 panalo at 5 knockouts. At itong si Aston Palicti ay isang veterano na sa larangan ng bugbugan mga idol na may kartadang 28 wins at 8 talo. Knockout puncher din itong si Aston Palicti mga idol. Para sa hindi nakikilala sa Pinoy dyan mga idol, is ang Pilipinong boksingero ay naka red gloves at black trunks.
And it was a lot about balance and structure, and you see that. You see he's so sharp. I mean, he was before, but he looks sharp tonight already in the start of this fight.
Long way to go here, but Mejia talked about that last performance, and you mentioned his father's sort of standards. I mean, he truly is a student of the game, though, and even his father, Drew, said, you know, sometimes I gotta tell him to, you know, take some time off.
Kalmado lang dito si Aston Palicti mga idol kasi sanay na ito sa mga ganitong laban. Yun! Bagsak ang kalaban! Sabayan! Counter! Katawa. Natawa pa si Aston. Bagsak ang anak ni Long Mejia mga idol. Hindi natin alam kung ano ba to. Kamag-anak ba to ni Long Mejia. Pero bagsak ang walang talong boksingero mga idol. May bigat kasi ang kamao nitong si Aston Palicti. Tingnan natin kung kaya ba ni Palicting tapusin itong si Mejia mga idol. Yun pala ang pinakaunang pagbagsak na ni Mejia mga idol sa kanyang buong karera.
And as you see with Aston, though, that's that veteranship. He's very calm and composed. He's not rushing or forcing anything here. He's just taking his time. Oh.
Uy, nice. Glory by Palicti. Oh, 1-2. Ganda ng straight ni Palicti. Pumasok.
Mejia. I mean, he looks to have recovered very well thus far. He's gonna have
what happened? He's like all of a
Ito
sudden
na mga idol, round number 2.
He looks to be, you know, with it. He looks to be cognizant and chatting with his corner a bit. So it seems like everything might have cleared a little
Nasa
bit.
corner pala ni Aston Palicti ang kanyang asawa mga idol, kaya naman porsigido ito manalo. May inspirasyon kasi.
bursted his eardrum. I mean, he's fought with very high level caliber.
Uy, sayang hindi yun tinuloy ni Palicti.
Has been hurt. He's dealt with it. He's obviously dealt with it in a fight, and he's right back in here. Look, he's not playing it safe.
Parang tahado na si Mejiyang makipagsabayan sa Pilipino mga idol.
Looking for his opening.
Kasi alam niya na may bigat sa kamao nitong si Aston Palicti.
Want to get dropped in a fight, but he talked about that chaos and how he finds comfort in it.
Uy, tinamaan si Palicti.
He did.
Delikado nagpapapansuntok si Aston Palicti dito sa round 2.
What you have to love about Abel Mejia is he's built for war, and his dad talked about that you know,
parang walang plano manalo dito si Aston Palicti ah.
I'll work through the round and finish my training session because it's already hurt, so his dad has had to reel him back several times.
Doon nagpapasuntok lang dito si Aston Palicti mga idol oh. Ay, sinadya ata to. Tinigil na ang laban. Wag. Talo si Aston Palicti ay mga idol. Hindi yan knockout. Itinigil na ng referee. Para ano, hindi pa masilap.